Tell me, what is the point of a queen that gets kept to her other queens? Tell me, what's the point? There's no point. So which is why today in this video I'm going to be walking you guys through how I was able to leverage on the time that I was broke to learn new skills. If this is something that you are interested about, please like this video, comment and share. Let's get right into it. In October 2023, I gave birth to my third child, and I was on maternity leave. I was not working, and so so earlier this year, I knew what is coming, because obviously if you are abroad, you could easily know like how your year is going to go. So I knew that this year is going to be a little bit rough for me, right? I know, because obviously I was not working, I was only on maternity leave, and yes, so I knew it's going to be a little bit rough, but I don't know how rough it is because I needed money. I needed money because I need to renew my papers in the UK. I need to renew my papers. So I was sad, I was devastated because I couldn't get any money. So where I really want you guys to, what I really would want to share with you guys is, during that time I was down, I was alone, I felt alone even though I wasn't alone. I'm not going to use too much foundation because like this is a clean girl spot, right? Okay. I began to go more on YouTube. I deleted my Instagram account. I deleted my TikTok account. I deleted my TikTok account, and yes, so I began coming to the YouTube very, very often. So from there, I began to upgrade in my makeup skills. I began to, because one thing is, when you are broke or when you are down, when you are going through some emotional thing, you get to pay attention to yourself during that time. You get to spend that time with yourself. I don't know if I'm the only one that always feel like that. Yeah, I noticed that whenever I'm down or I'm emotional, I get to learn something. I get to spend more time with myself. Then I get to know much about myself. So guys, this is the most important thing. If you are currently broke or you are emotionally stressed right now, don't worry, things will still go back to normal for you. That's what I want to let you know, that things are still gonna go back to normal. But during that time that you are experiencing that, just use that opportunity to learn a new skills that that on a normal day you might not have time, or you might not pay attention to. So you can use that opportunity of the time that you are down, because that time you will really, really focus on that new skill. It will distract you from all the noise, from everything that is going on. I used that opportunity to learn how to make my own hair. So now I can make one of the best. I can make one now. Honestly, I can make crochet. So now I can make crochet for myself. It's really becoming a thing that I'm comfortable in doing right now. So speaking of hair, this gorgeous low bun ponytail, I made it myself. Yes, I know. I'm trying. I'm just telling you, you can learn it. If you are broke, my sister, my brother, so just use the opportunity to learn something. I'm telling you, you will not regret it. If you love what you've seen so far, please help me to please subscribe to my channel. It doesn't take anything. Makeup literally become a therapy for me. I'm telling you the fact is that makeup become a therapy that I will sit. I started enjoying doing makeup by myself, right? I will sit down and spend hours and hours doing my makeup, and it was so fun. It was so much fun, which is why I remember today, I said I need to tell my queens about how to leverage on their downtime. So things are just like that right now. Things are still going to go back to normal. By the way, I am still broke. So by the way, I mean, I'm still broke, but not like before that. You know, there wasn't a way out. So God be the glory, I found a way out and I was able to sort out my bills and all that. So it was a tough moment for me early this year. I thought there was no way and all that. I was so down. I was only hanging on with my makeup bag. I was hanging on to my makeup bag. It became a therapy for me. During the midnight, I will not sleep. When my families are sleeping, I dare not. I can't even close my eyes, because every time I close my eyes, I'm thinking, where will I get money to renew my papers? How am I going to get money to renew my papers? But to God be the glory, that has become a thing of the past now, because I was able to get a loan and sort out the bills, and get a loan from a friend, from a friend. And to God be the glory, today I'm back to work. You know, I'm paying back my loan and all that. So, but I'm glad and I'm grateful that I was able to make use of that time that was my downtime, that I did not even know the way. I did not know where I'm going to. I did not know where I'm heading. But instead of wallowing in pain, instead of just staying in one place, now I was able to find a solution to my problem. So, how is my makeup coming? Nice. Is it giving? Yes. It's giving a clean queen. It's giving a baby. It's giving a baby girl. It's giving 100 over 100, and you can't tell me nothing. And that is on the period. Oh my God, I'm just so happy, guys. I'm just so happy, and I'm trying to bring it. If there's anything that you my love are experiencing right now, I just want to tell you, use this opportunity to tell you that it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. Everything is still going to sort out. Everything is still going to be okay. It's just a matter of time. Believe me, it's just a matter of time. So I'm gonna use my NYX powder. I forgot to show you guys what I was doing. So I'm gonna use my NYX powder. When it comes to lashes, wings, they are not my thing. I prefer eyeshadow, just neutral eyeshadow and lashes. When it comes to wing and mascara, they are not my thing, because I always get them, smudge them on my face. I always do that, and I don't know. Do you have any tips for me? Please tell me in the comment section. So guys, I remember during my birthday, and it's something that I know that I will remember for a very long time. I was crying. I did my makeup, I did my hair, I did my makeup, I did my hair, and during the night I was doing like a photo shoot. I'm gonna put the picture on the screen for you guys. I did my makeup, I did my hair, it was nice, but you know, because there's something that is weighing heavily, that weighs heavy on your heart, on your chest, you will not be able to like enjoy your time, enjoy the moment. It got to a point that I was crying, because it got to a point I was crying because because I couldn't find a solution to what I was going through. I'm telling you this because, guys, it's just a matter of time. I keep telling you, because it is just a matter of time. Things are still going to go back to normal. Don't wail too much in whatever that you're going through right now. It's still going to solve. The problems are still going to go away. It's just for a matter of time. It's just a matter of time. They are still going to go away. Things are going to go back to normal. But I want you to leverage on that moment. Okay? I want you to take that opportunity to do some things. I want to ask you, my lovely people, I'm just starting this channel and I don't know what you would like me to I don't know what kind of content you would love me to be making. I gave birth in the UK last year, so I can make content around babies, you know, I can make content around babies. I'm even thinking, because I have some of the pictures and the videos when I was in theater and all that. So I can make content about that. If you're pregnant and there's something, if you're pregnant and you're in the UK and there's something that you would love to know about the journey and everything, I can actually put content around that. I can post something like that. I love to make like beauty, yes, like beauty kind of stuff, like making my hair. During the time that I'm making my hair, I can make content around that, you know, like when I made this beautiful this lovely ponytail that I have on right now. I can make content around that. I just want to know where I'm heading, because, you know, like I said, I started my YouTube channel when I was down. During my downtime, I realized that okay, there's something that I could actually put out there to help other people as well that are going through the same thing that I'm going through. So if there's anything out of what I listed that you would love to know about, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below, so I would see what you want from me, then I can make content around that. Very little. And yes, let's get on to the late side. So guys, please let me know what kind of content you would love me to be making. I can make, if you're pregnant, if you're currently pregnant, I can make the content around childbirth, NHS, you know, things like that. And yes, I'm currently broke. Yes, I'm broke, and some of the things that I've been doing that is helping me get out of this brokenness life, I can make content around that as well, because obviously we are going to get out of it together. Yes. And what else? Life in the UK. I recently applied for my immigration, and yes, I got my application was successful. If you want content around that, I can make, if you know it would help you, I can make something around that for you. I can share my knowledge on how I was able to navigate, because I did self-service. So I did self-service while I did upload my papers myself and everything. Because tell me, somebody that is broke, how am I going to get money for a lawyer? How am I going to pay 2,000 or 3,000 pounds for a lawyer? I couldn't. So I did it myself, and to God be the glory, it was a success, right? So if you want me to share how I was able to navigate through that as well, I'm gonna make content around that. So if there's anything at all, there's hair tutorial which I've already uploaded before this video. So there's hair tutorial, there's yeah, lifestyle, beauty. That is what this self-growth, self-improvement, that is what this channel is going to be all about. I just drenched myself in this setting spray. By the way, I used Revolution setting spray, hyaluronic fix. That is what I used. And tell me, guys, is this not giving a clean girl? Is this not giving a clean and matured girl, a matured lady? Is this giving like a mom of three thing? No. I'm so happy. I'm just making content, even if nobody watches. I'm still happy to be here, and I'm happy to see how I have grown. I'm happy to see my growth. You know, it's just kind of like thing that I'm kind of documenting how everything is going. I love my makeup, guys. Oh my god, see, you know, it looks like the dream girl. Yeah, it looks like the dream girl. It looks like I'm becoming that girl. It looks like I'm becoming her. Yes, babies. Yes, I love it. I love everything about this. It's so classy, you know, it's classy, it's clean. I'm so happy, and I'm glad. If you're still here, thank you so much for watching this crazy girl to the end. Thank you so much. I appreciate you, and please don't forget to subscribe. You don't want to be the only girl. You don't want to be gatekeeping for other queen. Do you? No, you don't. So please, what you can do to help me as well is like this video, subscribe to my channel, so we can all grow together. All right, so that's it about this video, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. And if you fancy staying around, watch this hair tutorial that I have. This clean girl, it literally take about 30 minutes to make. Okay, so it doesn't, and you don't even need to buy anything to make this hair. That's it. Oh, sorry, you need to buy this. So you just little to no money to make this. You know, we are all trying to come out of this, and I'm sure I'm praying by the grace of God we're going to pull through. Yes, guys, and that's it about it, and I will see you in my next one.